Oh my God, Baloo.
Go get Baloo. Go get Baloo. Ow. You guys are too heavy to step on my toes. Big old puppies.
Where do those disclaimers go, or is it just a disclaimer?
They go on the bottom of the field invoice.
Field invoice.
Yeah.
Do you guys have your logo on the field invoice?
Let me see. I do not recall.
And you do your invoices on QuickBooks?
Yeah. We do. Let me see. Yes, we do. Like this. If you want to like take a picture of it or something.
I cannot find the freaking disclaimer that I printed out for.
I probably have an old one.
Where's my phone?
Baloo's torn between the toy and playing with Ailani. I really like this toy, but I really like playing. But I really like this toy. Ailani. Ailani's literally biting Baloo's mouth. You guys.
Do you guys do your payroll on